Hello mga Choy and Chay, good morning. Mabuhay po sa ating lahat. Kagising lang po ni Preston at lakad-lakad muna siya dito guys for exercise, no? Para yung ating katawan na always be good and for our mental health, no? For relaxation guys, no? At ito pala yung Hacienda Dono 1 Resort located at Glan, Sarangani Province guys. Tingnan nyo guys, no, napaka ganda yung lugar and time for relaxing, no, at mamaya maya guys maliligo tayo dyan sa dagat, no. Yung kanilang buhangin is white sand, no, napaka ganda yung place dahil it's time for